Just how can a typical individual without web knowledge generate income on the web performing definitely nothing at all? That is a question huge numbers of people have now been asking themselves. It has also recently been answered. George Brown found out how to accomplish precisely that after he developed a course that afforded them the ability to earn a full-time income from your home just by benefiting from one major web loophole. There's no secret to how George Brown built his bundle on the internet. You won't be remaining thinking why you can't do a similar thing he did. You have fundamentally been asked to join the company. What makes George Brown therefore effective is Google Sniper, an informed web marketing affiliation plan that will turn sites into genuine money. Google Sniper screens and exploits loopholes of one of many greatest web businesses in the world, Google's AdSense program. $12.7 billion is simply an incredible level of money. That is how much Google makes from AdSense every year. A portion, the littlest little piece of this cake may amount to hundreds or even a huge selection of thousands of dollars for you. How will you do this? There's no engineering to be afraid of. George Brown did not need to know everything about computers when he set up Google Sniper. There's no puzzling posting included and positively no coding. All you have to accomplish is replicate every one of the measures that George Brown sets up for you personally and collect them up for yourself. It's cut and paste. It's that easy. After you set up your personal system of affiliate websites, you do not actually have to do any preservation to them. It's like clocking into work for one day and getting paid frequently for the others of one's life. You fundamentally only have this one job to accomplish, and after as possible only await the cash to begin showing up. You keep making money weeks or even years after your websites get live. Now, it ought to be remarked that some individuals may well be more effective applying Google Sniper than others. There have been lots of people who have learned how to turn the net into a cash machine. They don't really all take in the $1 million a year like George Brown does, but they positively walk away with money they do not have to do much to earn. If you are buying a way to get set up working from your home, this may be your best opportunity. Google Sniper sets you up in the affiliate marketing industry and offers you all the various tools you need to succeed. Making your first paycheck from your home is as simple as clicking right here. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Could you make $1,000 daily online? Yes. How? Simple. And, it is possible. Over 70% of people stuck in part-time jobs wish they could earn online easily. Click the link in the description below this video for details.